In our last lesson, we talked about how some words have a double consonant in the middle of the word. Sometimes they have a double consonant at the end of the word. And we talked about how it usually represents one sound and that it often makes the vowel sound in front of it a short sound. Today our lesson is about words with double consonants in the middle that have two sounds. So if we look at the first word, accent, we have two C's together, but the first one makes the K sound like in K. The second one makes the S sound like in S. So accent, accident, succeed. So all three words we get the K sounds together. Another one is the double G. Sometimes can be the G and the J sound together. So this word is suggest, suggestion. All right, so if you look at these words, you can easily see that we've got some double C's, some double G's. So what we're going to do for our practice today is we are going to classify some words into two columns, the double C words and the double G words, noticing that each word has double consonants that make two sounds. So you've got the words that you either printed off or you wrote them in a notebook. If you wrote them in a notebook, you can just find a page and make two columns. And then you're going to sort those words into each column. If you pause the video, give yourself time to do that, and then when you're ready to check your answers, come back on and we'll pronounce the words together. All right, so go ahead and pause the video and then take your words and sort them into the two columns. Okay, now that we're back together, I'm going to take my words one at a time. The order doesn't matter, but we'll just put them into the column they belong in, and we'll say them as we do it. So our first word is vaccine. Vaccine. That's something that we're all waiting for right now with this coronavirus, isn't it? Vaccine. Our next word is the same one from our lesson, suggests. The G, and then suggest. Oh, and then we've got another one related to vaccine. We've got vaccinate. So related words. Success. Here we've got the double consonant at the end of the word too. But we're just looking for the C or the G. Another related word, suggestion. Kind of sticking to me. Succeed is another form of success. Accident. Acceptance. Suggestive. Coming up with all of these words based on the word suggest. We've got suggested and accept goes with acceptance. Accidentally, suggesting, and accent. What I want you to do today as you're reading is I want you to start noticing words that have double consonants in them, especially words like these that have double consonants with two sounds. See how many you can collect in your Reader's Writer's Notebook, and then you can share some of them with your class the next time you meet. I challenge you to find some words that are not related to suggest because it looks like the reading series had a hard time doing it. So that is your challenge today. Happy hunting.